How to download Twitter videos to your gallery. All right, so what you have to do first is open Twitter. And once you open Twitter, you have to find the video, right? So let's say I just scroll down. I'm gonna find the video right here. Right. So there's a video right here. So let's say I just like I want to download this, right? So I'm just go over here, copy it. Now I'm gonna just go back to Safari. So I just click on Safari. Now I'm gonna search out Twitter, download it, right? Go with the first one right here. So it doesn't matter what you want to download. So let's see, you want to download GIFs. You could also do that. But for Twitter videos, I'm gonna just click on this one right here. Now I'm gonna go over here. Now I'm gonna just paste the link right here. Now, once I paste the link, I have to wait for a bit. And once that wait, I could download the video right here. So let's say I'm just click on. You have many options. So I'm just click on the best one right here. There's gonna be ads. Just close that. Make sure you have an ad blocker. If you're on your PC, it's gonna be instant download. But if you're on your phone, you're gonna have some ads. Now you're gonna have an option right here where it said download. You just click on that. Boom. And then you go over here. Download. Boom. Then you go over here. Click on this. You scroll down. And you just click on save video. Once you do that, you just saved your video to your pictures right here. If I go on my photos right here, my gallery, I open it, I have my video saved right here. And that's how you download videos to iPhone and Android from Twitter.